Hi, I'm Bruce Wilkes, live in Central Texas, near Austin, and I actually started trading in July of 22. I only do two types of trading. I do swing long, and I day trade everything. I started out actually starting to lose more often than I was winning, and then what happened is I was looking for something that would help me improve my win rate and help me improve my profit. The other part for me was looking for a company that would support me. And that's hard to find today. A friend that I had that was already trading, he mentioned VantagePoint and that he'd been using it for just like 2 months. And so I kind of looked over his shoulder and then I saw what it did and I bought into it. It really helped me really make big advancement, change my win rate to a high win rate, a high profitability consistently. The psychology of trading is really a big part of it. And this helped me with that psychology of my trading because it gave me confidence off of the confirmation that I could get every evening in making a decision for the next day. That's the big thing about this system too, is that it helps me save a lot of time on research and analysis that I was spending prior to VantagePoint. The support of everybody there, I can get somebody on the phone, I can get support immediately. Having a coach, a personal coach, is a big deal. Everybody I talked to, everybody I met, and every instructor helped me move forward in my trading and understanding of how to use this system. I felt welcome there, right? Just didn't feel like a number. That's, I guess it's just basically helped me.